Hello guys, today we are finally going to install the Orca Core in our boat. We put it inside of the steering console to protect it from weather and all environment. The easiest way to install the Orca Core is probably to use the big one glue pad and just put one side here, lift off the other side and put it against the wall or any other suitable surface. But we are not going to do it because we have a speedboat. We are going to remove the drill-through mount by removing 3 bolts here with a Torx socket, and then we take the ring for marking our drill-through holes in the cover of my steering console. And this is how it looks like. We have drilled 3 holes here using that ring, bolt on 3 stainless bolts from the bottom side. So let's go. You don't need to put it inside a covered area or space, but due to the fact that we have a motorboat and we are going out by quite rough weather too, it's better to have it protected. We use the DC NMEA power adapter with positive, negative and ground, and then we're going to install it. If you wonder which tools are required for the installation, Orca supports you here on the info page. You can see and read. Now we put on the power. There will be lit up a green light, and after 10 seconds roughly it will disappear, and that means everything is okay. So, and we're done. Now we can pair and connect. What you want to do is to enable your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, open the Orca app, and he will suggest to pair it. You press connect, and then you wait a few moments, and there's not much more to it. Now the Orca Core asks us to calibrate. We cannot calibrate it because we're sitting in our workshop, the boat is on land, and it's not so easy inside the workshop to turn the boat. But once we are on the water, we will do it.